Most beginners open futures trade. They see the numbers moving up and down, but they don't actually understand how much they are making or losing. They just see green or red candle and hope for the best. But in futures trading, if you don't understand P&L, profit and loss, you're basically gambling blindly. Alright, in this video I'm going to break down step by step, and I'll be making it so simple that even a complete beginner will understand how profit and losses are actually calculated and how leverage changes everything. Let's get into it. Alright, what's up guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel and welcome back to this video again. In this video today we'll be explaining how to calculate your P&L and understand what P&L is. Now, what is P&L? It simply means profit and loss. It tells you how much money you've made or lost in a trade. There are two types of realized P&L. When you close a trade, that's actually realized profit or realized loss when you actually close a trade, or when your trade hits take profit or hit stop loss, you've actually realized that profit or that loss. Now, unrealized P&L, when your trade is still open. When your trade is still open and running in profit, that is an unrealized profit. Or when your trade is open and running in loss, that is unrealized loss. So while your trade is running, your P&L is constantly changing. Alright, as your trade is running, so is your profit changing. It's going up and it's going down. P&L, it's not random. It follows a simple formula. Now here are the formulas that P&L follows. Alright, P&L equals to entry price and exit price plus position sizing. Let's make it simple. If you go long, you make money when price goes up. You lose money when price goes down, and you bet that it's going to go up and the price is going down. That means you actually lose money. If you go short, you make money when price goes down. Alright, and you will lose money if price goes up and you're betting that price will go down. Now let's break it down with a real example. Alright, now let's say Bitcoin is trading at 100,000 and you sell at 102,000. You're trading a $1,000 position size. Price move up by $2,000. So P&L equals to 102,000 minus 100,000. Now you times it by your position size factor. That means you made profit based on how big your position is. But here is where beginners get confused. You don't need 1,000 or 100,000 to control this trade. That is where leverage comes in. And in our last video we explained what leverage is. You can check our channel link below, or you check our channel, you can see the videos there. We explain what leverage is, but I'm still going to give you a tip on this video. Now, how leverage changes everything. Leverage is actually borrowing buying power. If you use 10x leverage and you are having $100, you actually control a buying power worth $1,000. Alright, if you use 20x, you actually control a buying power worth $2,000. So you necessarily do not need any large amount of money before you can actually trade a token if it's trading at a certain amount. All you need is leverage. Now here is the key idea. Alright, here is the key idea you need to take note. Profit stays the same percentage wise. Alright, profit stays the same percentage wise but feels bigger in money terms. Alright, if price moves 2% at 1x leverage, you actually make 2%. If you're using 1x leverage and price moves 2%, you are actually making 1%. Now at 10x leverage, you still make 2% but a larger position. But here's the danger. You need to understand that if you're using leverage, your profit stays the same percentage. Your profit stays the same percentage, but your money is always increasing, but your profit stays the same percentage. If price move plus 2% at 1x leverage, you make 2%. At 10x leverage, you still make 2%, but on a larger position because you are using higher leverage. You get the point now. But here is the danger. losses are also multiplied. You get, losses are also multiplied the same way if price moves against you. All right, if you're using higher leverages, your losses are also multiplied the same way your profits are also multiplied. So if you're using 10x leverage and market moves against you 2% at 10x leverage, that becomes 20% loss on your margin. That is why beginners get liquidated. Leverage does not change the market, it changes your exposure. Now here is a simple breakdown. Let's simplify everything. You deposit $100, you use 10x leverage, so you now control buying position worth $1,000. If Bitcoin goes up by 1%, your profit, your position makes about $10 profit. Now I'll go again. Let's say you deposit $100, you use 10x leverage, so you control a buying power worth $1,000. If Bitcoin goes up 1%, your position makes $10 profit. If Bitcoin goes down by 1%, you lose $10 in profit. Also, you lose $10 in loss. Sorry. If it goes down by 10%, your entire $100 is gone. That is liquidation. That is why we always advise new beginners traders to use the money they are comfortable losing, or better still, use the leverage you are at peace with. So leverage is basically a profit amplifier and a risk amplifier at the same time. All right, so this is how to calculate your P&L. Also on your exchange right here, if you have inputted in your entry, you've chosen your limit order, you inputted in the quantity you want, where you need to add your P&L right here, you can see where they say TP and SL right here. You enter it. Now if you put in your TP and SL, you're going to see the amount you are going to be making or losing right here. You're going to be seeing the amount of money you're going to be making right here. That's why they say exit P&L and stop P&L. all right, if you've entered the trade, everything, and you inputted in your take profit and your stop loss, you're going to see the amount of money you're going to be losing right here. All right, thank you for watching this video. If this video actually help you understand what P&L is and how it actually works in futures trading, do it to leave a like and subscribe to this YouTube channel. And for trade signals, you can check the link on our description where we share our exact trade signals. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.